Forget the 5-year business plan. In today's fast-moving world, success comes from learning fast, failing smart, and adapting quickly. That's where the lean startup methodology comes in, a simple, powerful approach to turning ideas into successful businesses without wasting years and millions of dollars. Traditional startups follow a slow, expensive, and risky process, planning for years, locking in huge funding, building in secret, only to discover too late that customers don't actually want their product. Coined by Eric Ries, inspired by Toyota's lean manufacturing, the lean startup is about speed, learning, and efficiency. You test your ideas, get customer feedback fast, and keep improving, cutting waste, lowering risk, and increasing your chances of success. Here's how it works. 1. Map ideas. Use the business model canvas to outline your customer segments, value proposition, and more. 2. Test hypotheses. Check if customers want it, if it's viable, and if you can deliver. 3. Build a minimum viable product, the simplest version that customers can try. 4. Learn and improve. Use feedback to pivot or persevere. The beauty of lean startup is simple. You learn before you burn. Instead of guessing for years, you find out in weeks whether your idea has legs, and you either double down or walk away without going broke. A lean startup methodology isn't just for tech giants. It's for anyone with an idea worth testing. So what will you test first? Subscribe now for more quick, high-value business lessons you can use today.